What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking off that seat, putting the new seat on. Got this from Cycle Refinery in Austin, Texas. Nice little cafe racer shop. If you're looking to make any type of old school bike or cafe racer bike, that's definitely the place to go. So shout out to them for definitely having all the stuff I needed. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and get started. I'm just going to grind down all the brackets and mounts and stuff so I can get a nice flat surface to mount this on, and then we'll see how it looks and go from there. Alright, so now that the first part's all grinded off, I'm going to go ahead and test fit the seat and see how it looks. So here it is, end product. The seat is mounted, tail lights mounted, all that stuff. This is just the part one of however many it takes to get the final product done for the seat. I still gotta mock up the cowl. I kind of got an idea what I want in my head. I just got to draw it out first before I go ahead and try that out. Also going to make some side panels here to cover up the wiring so it looks a little cleaner. And then after that, we'll probably go for painting the bike a different color. Might do the front fender delete. We're going to go with a different color. Let me know what color you'd like to see it. I got a few ideas in my head, but if someone else shoots me a good color scheme, might go with that instead. So I would like to hear your ideas. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video, what you think of the bike.